We're now going to look at the bony processes of the wrist and the hand. As I've already shown you the carpal bones of the wrist, this is where we see a couple of processes. I pointed these out in the last section. We looked at the bones, but this small bone sticking out here is less of a process. It's actually a bone, but it does have a muscle attached to it. It's called pisiform. That's that bone. And then the other more obvious process, which is sticking up from the bone, this is called the hook of hamate. We have another process here, which is just off of the trapezium. And I've already pointed out the styloid process at the end of the radius and the styloid process at the end of the ulna, which attachment sites for ligaments. And then you can see in the hand, in the metacarpals and the phalanges, we do have just less obvious bony processes. These would be difficult to palpate. They're very small, but we do see some slight enlargements, in particular on the palmar surface of the metacarpals and the phalanges. As we get up to the distal or very end phalanges, it's quite difficult to see and palpate them. So the main bony landmarks are these two right here on the hook of hamate, here on trapezium, and then pisiform in the carpal bones.